Hello students, welcome to your science class. Hope you all are well and taking full benefit of your videos that are provided by the school. Children, in the last two videos, we discussed the first chapter which included the food we eat and importance of plant to us. Today we will discuss the question answers and objective questions. Let us start. Oh, please open your book, page number 9. First of all, we will discuss question number A. Tick the correct option. The first question is nutrients. Option A is give energy to our body. Number 2, protect our body, prevent us from falling ill, and the last option is all of this. And the correct option will be all of these, as nutrients help us to give energy, protect our body, and prevent us from falling ill. So please tick the option all of these. The second question is, they are needed for growth and repair of our body and for building muscles. So what is the answer? Yes, it is right. It is protein. So please tick on protein. The third question is, it helps in formation of bones and teeth. And the options are iron, carbohydrates, calcium and fat. And the answer will be calcium. The next question is, these nutrients help in preventing disease. Options are fats, carbohydrates, proteins and vitamins. So which nutrition helps us in preventing diseases? It is vitamins. So please tick the option vitamins. Now the next question is, complete the table given below, and the first one has been done for you. Children, if you remember the assignment, the same question was given. Still we will discuss it. So the first one is given protein. The sources of protein are pulses, eggs, fish and peas. It helps us to grow. The next option is carbohydrates. Now carbohydrates is found in rice, wheat, bread. Now what is its role? It gives us energy. The next option is vitamin and minerals. Now where is it found? It is found in vegetables, milk and eggs. And what is the function of it? It protects us from diseases. The next one is roughage and water. So where do we get roughage from? It is generally the plant fiber, the undigested part of the food that is found in cereals, corn, green leafy vegetables. And what is the role of the roughage? It helps us in removal of waste material from our body. Now please turn the next page. The third question is match the following. The first option is roughage. Now where is roughage used? What is the role of roughage? It is the undigested food. So please tick mark 1 here. It is the undigested food. Next one is protein. Now what is the role of protein? The role of protein is body building food. So please write down here, to body building food. Next one is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is energy giving food. So please write down here, Number 3, energy giving food. Next, number 4 is vitamins and minerals. So what is the role of vitamins and minerals? It is protective food. It is protective food. Next one, fat. Fat helps to keep our body warm. 5. Now, the next option is underline the one that does not belong to the group. Refer to the hints to know about the group. So, number 1 is iron, calcium, oil and iodine. So, now you can see, children, iron, calcium and iodine are minerals, but oil is not. So, we will mark oil. It doesn't belong to the group. Next one, oil, butter, ghee and carrot. So, you'll see that all these oil, butter, ghee comes under the category of fats, but carrot doesn't comes. So, we will mark it. Next one is peas, fish, rice and egg. Now, peas, fish and egg give us protein. They are rich sources of protein. Whereas rice is rich in carbohydrates. So, we will mark rice. Next one is sugar, potatoes, bread and spinach. So, sugar, potato and bread are rich in carbohydrates, whereas spinach is not. So, we will mark spinach. Now, we will discuss the question answers also, okay? Today, we will discuss only the short question answers, and in next class, we will discuss the long question answers. Now, the first question is, name the main nutrient of the food. So, the main nutrient found in the food are carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and protein. Next question is, what are proteins? Proteins are body building food. They help in the growth of our body and repair of worn out tissues and cells. The next question is question number 3. Why do athletes need more carbohydrate than a person sitting in office? So, children, as you know that athletes need more energy for their workout. So, obviously they will need more carbohydrates because carbohydrates provides us with energy. So, the answer will be athletes need more energy than a person sitting in an office, so that in an office it will be because he needs more carbohydrates, okay, because athletes needs more energy than a person sitting in an office. Okay, it will be so he needs more carbohydrates. Okay, now the next question is, what is balanced diet? So the answer is, a balanced diet is a meal that contains all the nutrients that is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and fiber. Okay, now as we know that every component of nutrition is required by our body. Our body requires carbohydrates also, proteins also, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and fiber also, and that too in adequate amount. Okay. Now the next question is, why should we care for plants? Now you have to give the two reasons. So we should care for the plants because plants are the home for food source, home and food source to a variety of animals and birds. So plants not only give us food, but they also give food to various animals and plants also. The next part is plants reduce air pollution. So air pollution is reduced by the plants. That's why we should take care of plants. Children, this question answers you please write in your fair copy. Those children who don't have their fair copy can write down in rough copy. Whenever you buy your fair copy, note it down there. Okay. Hope you have understood the question answers well. The long question answers we will discuss in the next video. So here I end my video. Please complete your work on time. Thank you.